Each spare part is carefully inspected by our team, securely packaged, and prepared for prompt delivery. We follow a precise procedure to ensure your orders arrive in perfect condition. We make sure that all parts are clearly and correctly labeled, so when your shipment arrives, you can easily place the labeled boxes on your shelves, where they will stay until you need them. Sealed aluminum foil packaging protects the parts from damage, dirt, and corrosion, ensuring they arrive at your site in perfect condition. We're constantly improving our warehouse procedures to make our service faster and more reliable. This helps us protect your order from damage and ensures quick deliveries so you can keep your operations running smoothly without delays. Are you ready to receive your spare parts hassle-free? Contact us now and we'll handle the rest.